Let's see, mic's on. Awesome. Hello there. This is going to be a quick one. I'm just going to be going over some of the puzzles I didn't do last time. It's super late when I'm doing this, so let's see how it turns out. Alright, so we've got these three puzzle boxes that I've got, and I'm really just going to go over them, going to solve them. Mostly just going to make them click because they sound really cool. We're going to start off with the small one. And I'm going to try to be quiet for these. This one's very simple. There's only like 6 steps to open it. I really like the sound that makes. That's that one. Or this bigger one. I think there's only 7 steps to these. I think they're starting to get a little warped. And that one actually doesn't have that many steps either. That's fun. These actually come with instructions on how to solve them when you get them as well. I got these through Art of Play. They have a lot of options for these. You can get the number of steps it takes and the size of the box. This one, there's not really a pattern on it like the veneers on the other two. It's just got this plain, I think it's a dark oak stain was what it was called. There's more steps to this one. Here we go. Make sure I'm on the right side. There we go. When you're going over these, sometimes you can feel where the seams are. This one has 2 on each side, so there we go. And you don't want to push on them too hard. You can tell when they're supposed to move and when they're not. So. And there's just spots on there. You can actually see the maker stamp on these too. It's really, really neat. Let's see. And they also come with a explanation on them as well of where they're made and such. I really like these puzzles. They're fun. Yeah, you can see the solution there. I like how they sound. I like how they feel. And they smell really good too. They've got like a nice stain on them, stuff like that. It's not too chemically. It just smells kind of natural. There you go. That's these 3 puzzles, and I forgot to put them on the last video. I've got a new mat. I'm actually probably gonna do a review for this because I really like it. It's really cool. Next time. And that's it for those. Again, these aren't really solve videos. It's just me playing with some puzzle boxes. You can use them to solve them if you want. I'll try to post a link to what they are in the description. Check that out below. Like, comment, subscribe if you like. Eventually, I'm going to do more of these puzzle boxes, but I need to get more first. I've only got the 3 so far. If this video gets some good views on it, then I guess we'll get some more. So, thank you guys for watching. Let's make it better.